The English oak, Quercus Robur, the largest of all the British trees, being able to grow to up to 45 meters tall, sometimes even taller. It's the longest lived of all the oak trees, being able to live for up to 2,000 years. Most will live to around 1,200. Given this, it's no surprise that this is the national tree of the UK, and both the National and Woodland Trust have English oak leaves in their logos. These ones could be around 200, 300, 400 years old. The ones tend to have more compact growth and tend to be shorter and stubbier, and they'll often have growth coming out of burls on the trunks. You can tell them different from sessile oaks is that there is no stem between the bud and the leaf, and that there is a stem between the acorn and the bud. Here we've got the acorn starting to form. Another way you can tell English oaks from sessile oaks is that sessile oaks tend to have a much fairer looking branch structure. The English oak tends to look a lot more wild, which is fair enough, being as they typically grow bigger and live longer. They're arguably the second longest lived trees native to the UK, after English yew. You can see this one has a face. English oaks can support over 2,000 species. This moss is just one of them. They can also support ivies, lichens, ferns in temperate rainforests, and a variety of animals. Most years they only produce a few acorns, and that keeps the squirrel population low. Then every couple of years they'll produce lots and lots and lots of acorns, and this allows them to grow the next generation of oaks. Their wood is super sturdy, and it was used by the British to make ships. And then they sailed those ships and discovered other parts of the world. This tree would probably say, sod those ships, we need to look after the living oak trees, not cut them down to make things, and rightfully so. Protect old growth oaks at all costs, and don't let this government fell them all with its pro-development policies.